No more black box chatbot replies. Chain of thought prompting makes AI show its work. Chain of thought prompting, or COT, is a form of prompt engineering that emphasizes the step-by-step process of solving problems. Rather than inputting simple questions, this technique prompts a large language model to reveal its chain of thought, or the rational steps taken to arrive at a final answer. In simple terms, COT makes an LLM show its work. Here, we'll discuss different types of COT prompting and how they work. For a detailed overview of different prompt engineering tools, click the link above or in the description below. The COT technique is not as simple as telling an LLM to show its work. In fact, it requires a user to input logical problem-solving examples in addition to the question they are asking. This way, the LLM can arrive at a final answer by mimicking the logic you used. For example, let's say you're trying to solve a multi-step math problem. You would first establish the logical thought process by inputting 2 plus 3 equals 5. Add 3 and you get 8. Subtract 2 and you have 6. In the same prompt, you would then say, solve the following problem: 3 plus 7 minus 2 plus 5 in the same way. From there, the output displays not only the final answer of 13, but the steps it took to arrive there. There are different types of COT prompting: multimodal, least to most, and zero-shot. Multimodal COT deals with both images and text in a two-stage framework. To start, the user enters images followed by an explanation of the context and the question concerning them. In the first stage, the model outputs a rationale for how the images and text are related. In the second stage, the model applies that rationale to infer an answer. Least to most prompting is an approach used to solve more complex problems. Here, the user enters a problem and the LLM breaks it down into sub-problems. From here, the user inputs these problems sequentially until the LLM outputs the final answer. Finally, zero-shot COT prompting bypasses the inclusion of logical examples. Instead, the user simply inputs the phrase, "Let's think this through step by step," at the end of the prompt, which then triggers a chain of thought response from the LLM. This logical reasoning is then used to answer further questions related to the original. COT is a useful approach in arithmetic reasoning, common sense reasoning, symbolic reasoning, and question answering. Overall, COT is an approach that allows for more accurate responses to complex questions. Do you use COT prompting? Let us know in the comments and remember to like and subscribe too.